Okay. We are ready. Hello, everyone. Yeah, it's good to see everybody. Yeah, we are here about to begin, and we will take about 2 or 3 delays for waiting another audience to join us.
Yeah.
And today we'll talk about BOXTradEx strategy and also about how can we provide to crypto investor. Also, we will spend about host this event about 1.5 hours.
Yeah. Including the tutorial.
Yeah, including tutorial. So just wait 2 minutes and we will begin our first part of this seminar.
So let's begin. I think we already been waiting for so long, right?
Yeah, I think some investor may nervous and also they may want to know more and want to know how can we introduce us. So let's begin our first seminar. And in the first part, I will introduce BOXTradEx Exchange. Also, you will see our agenda in our presentations. So let's begin. I'm Kenji, and the guy beside me is Lu, and we are the operation team of BOXTradEx Exchange. And today we are hosting this seminar to present BOXTradEx Exchange, a crypto exchange with inbuilt trading bots. And BOXTradEx Group and I, we are all dedicated to developing best trading tools, trading bots, and we want to provide the most user-friendly trading adventures to crypto investors. And now we all have mission to lower investment barriers and also bring more possibilities to financial freedoms. Also, the most important is to the crypto investors. So
easier trading.
Let's talk about ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah,
so sure.
Me, I'm Kenji, and I'm operation and marketing manager of BOXTradEx Exchange. I'm responsible for many things. Because operation and marketing is I think it's very hard task and
complicated,
and you will divide in three, and we will enter in different aspects of different kind of stuff of BOXTradEx operations.
Yeah.
And also the promotion of BOXTradEx Exchange. So that's why I'm here today.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I am responsible to
operate.
Yeah. Also, like many crypto investor or someone you are interested in to us, also to our product and what can we offer to you. So, as Lu, do you want to introduce yourself?
So I'm the marketing specialist, and I kind of new to the company, but I'm enthusiast for crypto quite a long time. I began with stocks investing, and after a while, when stock is not being as stable as crypto nowadays, stable is being considered as one of the tools against inflation, right?
Yeah.
So I believe crypto will be kind of like the future. So
yeah, you're right, and I totally agree with your point. And so let's keep on moving, okay?
Yeah.
So we will see our first slide of today's agenda. Today's seminar will divide into 3 parts. The first one will be the introduction. We will mainly focus on why BOXTradEx should exist and why we built BOXTradEx Exchange, and what the background is that push us to work so hard and and want to develop and discover the best solutions to crypto investor. Especially if you are new guys in this market, you should know many tips.
Yeah.
And also many situation and problem you should beware before you do the investment in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. So, and then the second part will be the how BOXTradEx Exchange works.
Yeah,
right?
I will be taking that part, right?
Yeah,
Tutorial.
sure. Yeah, this part is specially designed for you.
Okay.
Because you are the specialist, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
for the app.
especially he is not only specialist in marketing, but also in
Operating the app.
trading. Trading.
Yeah,
also.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in the final part will our today's seminar question Q&A. Okay, if you are interested about us and also want to know more or want to ask some question, or if you have any ideas about us, you can ask me or ask Lou directly, and you can enter and send your message in our chat room, and we will reply you or answer the question.
And find a solution for you.
Okay, so let's talk about little about the Bitcoin and the background.
Idea about cryptocurrency.
Yeah, and the background, the whole background of BOXTradEx Exchange and the whole background of the industry. So, first of all, if you know what Bitcoin is and why it deserves value, if you know Bitcoin a lot or know cryptocurrency a lot, and also if you have many years of experience in investing in crypto, so you know the value of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is dramatically rising year by year.
Especially since COVID, right?
Yeah, especially this year after COVID-19, the central bank of global world of the world, especially United States, Russia, China, or we are here in Taiwan. Yeah, many central bank we will call the traditional banking system is in
kind of declining.
I think it's in an emergency
status.
status.
Because they are just issuing money without any responsibility anymore.
But in the other side, you may see people they didn't know about this, about Bitcoin, about industry, or even the blockchain. They may think Bitcoin or cryptocurrency may be a scam. Or fraud by some smart guy or entrepreneurs, or even someone may think it will be a lie of the central
Actually,
government.
5 years ago, I think many of my friends say, "Oh, don't invest that; it's a scam," like something like that. And now I'm seeing all of them investing in crypto.
So it look like ridiculous, right?
No, it's
you may be seeing that your friends or somebody in the television, they say, "Oh, Bitcoin is a scam. It's like a shit. It's like a dust in the air." But when the days pass by days, and you will see him show up again and say, "Wow, I have some Bitcoin.
I got to invest that."
So
I think because they see their neighbor are earning a lot from crypto market because entering early.
So if you no matter what you treat Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as a asset or commercial goods or something you look like a treasure, or just nothing. So if no matter what you know how much about this industry or cryptocurrency, you should feel something. Feel about
something going on, right?
Feel about how Bitcoin is changing our world. It's dramatically changed. It significantly changed humanity's life and what we used to be, and the whole thing is changed a lot. So, like the Singularity University of the founder, the Peter Diamandis said before, the day before something is a breakthrough, is a crazy idea. So when you look back to 2009, when Bitcoin firstly showed up to the market, you will see that only few people truly believe it's the future.
Yeah.
But most of all, the majority of humanity will treat it like just like scam, like like a lie of the street. Yeah.
Like a gang of the rich.
Yeah. So you may see many examples like stars when you invest in stock market, you back to about 19th century when the star first show up to the market and the financial system is all new, all
innovating.
Yeah. So you may see that some people will say that about
don't invest in stocks.
Yeah,
it might
don't
be
invest
just
is
the scam or the gang of capitalism.
Yeah, so also like when you back to 2000 when the internet emerged to our world, there are still someone talk about internet, the new technology of our communication. They see it as another advanced tools to cheat or to grab the wealth of poverty, something like that.
Now we are all feeling like common about it. Like it's already day-to-day normal, right?
Yeah. So, like the Peter says before, when something you look like a brand new one or novel to you is like a crazy idea.
Yeah.
So we should think deeply. I think because when you look to Bitcoin, when you look this new industry, you may look further, also look deep in the fundamental aspect.
Yeah.
Yeah. As you see, there are many entrepreneurs like Peter, like Elon Musk or somebody else, or even the financial institution or financial service, when they all adopt cryptocurrency or Bitcoin quickly, as the whole industry is evolved very soon. So as these guys, they are all smart people and they hold a lot of money and powers, so they all invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So don't you know what they think, or don't you want to know why they invest in? So let's talk about the other name of Bitcoin, the digital gold.
Yeah.
What do you think about digital gold?
I think we see so many crypto nowadays.
Yeah.
And Bitcoin is like the fundamental, the first cryptocurrency we have. It's just like we back to prehistoric period, that when people are seeing gold as something to like a tool to trade.
Yeah.
So it goes like more treasure, more and more day by day.
Yeah. So as your point, is Bitcoin really a digital gold? Or I hear someone say that Bitcoin is a digital real estate. Or as my view, no matter what you think about Bitcoin is, you can treat it as a goods, as a asset or as a goal, no matter what you think. I think it's a next generation asset or next generation currency to replace our current monetary system. So it should be a
more efficient one, right?
Yeah, it should be a innovation and one you should look more deeply about it and should care about it. So let's talk more about when you think Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is a good asset, is a asset you want to hold it. We all face one problem, is that
inflation.
Where can we buy it and we store it? Also,
I think that's we are too early to talk about. We got to talk more about the background, right?
Yeah. Background is more important, but I want to talk about is that why BOXTradEx Exchange exists and why we need to develop such product to crypto investors in the world.
Yeah.
Also, like you say, the background, right? We are in the crazy idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
motivation.
about crazy idea, what do we believe about this industry and cryptocurrency? What do we think about?
I think we are kind of like a company doing something so new. It might not be recognized at the first place, but
Yes.
we are kind of moving ahead of the people. So it's like we are encouraging people to join us because we believe what we believe, and we believe that such thing is the future.
Yeah, I agree with you. As you said, the Bitcoin or the blockchain industry is innovation, and as I said before, I think it will be a next generation monetary system, or even it will be a asset or
Financial
medium
basis.
of
Yeah.
exchange like money
Yeah.
you use every day in your life. So there will exist or appear many use case, many application that humanity will adopt it eventually.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah, so I believe is the future, right? So as my view and Lou, we all believe, and our team BOXTradEx, we believe Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is the future, and we want to deal with the problem of purchasing, buying and selling the
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
it's
Buying and
basic.
selling the digital asset is I think it's a serious problem. That if you are a new guy in this industry, or even you have some experience, but you
You don't know how
need
to
the effective method to
invest.
invest.
Yeah.
To invest it or hold it or buy it correctly, or in a more effective, less risk, or you can
Less cost.
Yeah, less cost and more time saving. So that's why we build out the BOXTradEx Exchange, and we aim to solve misunderstanding and eliminate obstacles to entry market in better way. With the automatic tool, and we will discuss later. So let's back to the whole background.
The original stone of the fundamental.
Yeah,
stone.
there are some publicity or citizen talk about the Bitcoin's characteristic, like the inflation, like the volatility, right? So as an inflation, if you are an investor
holding $100.
holding $100, or you rarely do the investment. You just store your wealth by cash, by fiat currency. Then you may feel the inflation powers, especially after COVID-19. And we see inflation as a slide. You can see the inflation is dramatically
changing the prices
and changing significantly to affect your purchasing power every day. Yeah. So as a person, you hold the cash to store your wealth, it will be affecting and influenced by the monetary by the inflation and monetary policy from
politicians.
From politicians and the central bank. So the whole thing, why we talk about Bitcoin, why cryptocurrency is so important, because this is a new asset that will help you to store and maintain your value of your wealth.
Yeah.
So as you see in the slide, for example, like US dollar, you can see the purchasing power devastating from 100 to 3 in only 1 century. So it looks like very incredible, right? You just hold the cash you earn from hard work. We work hard every day, but finally you discover that when you buy your maybe egg or your lunch,
it's getting pricier
in the market, and after year by year, you will discover that the money you have is already lose its powers.
Yeah.
Power of medium of exchange, power of unit of count, and power of the real value.
Yeah.
Over real
Just
value.
we can see the housing price. I
Yeah.
think that's the most obvious one.
Yeah, housing price going up every year, and tuition you pay to the school.
It's always hiking.
Yeah, so this inflation is a big problem. Now, many smart people or crypto investor, why they take serious on it and why they want to invest their money in
Financial assets.
like cryptocurrency. So as another example, you can see Indonesia. If you are living in Indonesia or you are Indonesian, you may have some feeling about what I said. Is that the goods, the fees, the housing and cars price going up year by year, but your budget, your wealth, your salaries didn't catch up.
And your banknote is getting bigger.
Yeah, so this is very serious. I think everyone, not only the crypto investor, everyone should take care about it, and you should take serious thing to treat your assets or location.
Yeah.
So that's why Elon Musk or Tesla, they will invest in at least 3 to 5% of their asset in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So for long-term perspective, cash and bonds we think are no longer a good asset you should hold, and the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin will be another best choice, I think.
Yeah,
you should have to take serious on it, and you should know how to invest it. So, as an example of Indonesia, we talk about you may see the data, right?
100 rupiah in 1969 is now like almost 16,000 today. It's like if you stole 150 rupiah in 1969, I think now it's 1 rupiah.
Yeah, so
right.
It's really insane. That's my point. It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
We work so hard, and we earn the salaries in our bank. We store in our bank, but its value is dramatically decreased.
Yeah.
Every day, I think every second maybe happen after COVID-19. So
it's kind of hard to imagine.
So that's why we talk about this, and we can compare it to another asset, right? As the chart in the side, you can see Bitcoin is more powerful in store of wealth compared to other assets, especially USD dollars, and also the stock markets.
S&P?
Yeah, like S&P. So as you can see, Bitcoin versus the stocks, especially last year, it rise dramatically to 140%.
Yeah.
Compared to another asset, the gap is huge.
It's not even half.
Yeah, the gap is incredible huge.
Yes.
And the wealth if you hold stocks or even you invest in cash or bonds, the wealth of you, and when you compare the one of like your friend, he invests in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, your wealth gap is obviously change a lot.
You're getting more superior.
Yeah. So that's why we think this part is very important. So we discuss sometimes about the inflation problem, and as you see, there are many articles and also media talk about how inflation affects our
It's catching
life.
more ice.
Yeah, affect our life and your lifestyle. So inflation obviously is a killer to our wealth, and the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency may be the solutions to cure this disease or to cure this problem. So in reality, as I talked before, that we will all face the problem of how could I, how to enter this market, right?
Yeah,
because this market is so new and nearly everyone
talking about, but not really entering.
Nearly everyone know more about this and know more about what Bitcoin is and what the mechanism of it. So in reality, it has been accepted more widely in smart people like financial institutions and rich men like Elon Musk, as I said. So, and you can see Visa, about Amazon, Facebook, they all launch their crypto project to change the world, or you can see as a competitive business strategy. So the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is actually affecting our life, no matter you are individual or you are businessman or you are institution. So the next part we'll talk about another characteristic of Bitcoin.
Many people worry about.
Many people worry about the volatility of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but as our view, why can we take volatility as an advantage, as a weapon?
I think one of the people who really like volatility will be like whole day 24/7 trader. Like they trade 24/7 and they watch the screen, they stare at it, and quit the job, leave the family, right?
So why volatility may be another concern, as we already discussed the inflation problem, because volatility, I think it may be a two-edged knife. If you use correctly, it can be a weapon. It can be your treasure to win. To win the market, to win your wealth, to
bring you to the moon,
to earn more profit by investing in cryptocurrency. So the volatility, it will no longer be a problem when you use correct solution. And so that's why BOXTradEx Exchange do the hard work to solve this problem, and why we developing automatic tools to solve this volatility situation. So the next question will be how to get involved to earning volatility, to get a competitive advantage, right?
Taking it as an opportunity, right?
So as a volatility, you see, volatility is an uncertainty. If you didn't know it and you didn't know how to use it. But in the other hand, if you know how to correctly use it and recognize it with a good tool, effective tool, and with like our trading bots, right? If you use trading bots or automatic tool, you can see those volatility may be an opportunity.
Side, right?
Maybe an opportunity to you to win the trade. So that's the main point. Why we see volatility as an opportunity. As you see the chart in the slide, high volatility may be a treasure if you use like greed trading. BOXTradEx have greed trading in our platform, and also greed trading is the most commonly investment strategy that especially you can use in crypto market. Right. So what do you think about it? How could we use greed trading to?
I think I actually, to be honest, like personally, I've tried the app since the beta version, earlier than everyone is getting the app. And it's quite effective. Like I don't usually watch my file. I open the app like after a few days. It's actually green. It's earning. But even the crypto market is going downturn, right?
You are correct. So as you can see, if you using the greed trading, you can see the illustration of greed trading both in our slide with automatic mechanism. After you setting up your parameters, setting out the price range, setting out the quantity of greeds, you can both will directly execute your investment plan for you, and with no errors, with no emotional bias.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you won't ever and never make mistakes by yourself. So the tools, the treadmill will automatically run in this investment strategy for you. Especially when the market, like you say, in a bear market, in a downtrend market situation, or even low, or even in the consolidation phase. If you do one-time investment, like you just hold, you are a holder. You hold Bitcoin and you believe Bitcoin's future, but when Bitcoin is in consolidation phase or in a bear market trend, the things gone differently compared to these two sides of
I think
investment.
somebody trading manually will be quite worried because it's always finding the breaking out point. But if you are a greed trader, I think you are excited. You are waiting for exactly this moment.
Yeah, so as you say, if you just do one-time investment, you just directly buy Bitcoin as you wish, and you just hold it. But when the market in a downtrend situation, you will lose the potential of earning another interest or another profit. So with trading tools, it totally solves this problem and provide another benefit to use. Yeah, so it will be huge difference as we can see in the last slide. When you use trading ball in the especially downtrend situation, the data bounce like the picture in the slide. When the market is in a bear market, in a downtrend, the market price not always just drop, just drop, just go to a dip, but also they will have some little bounce. Some price will go up and swing down,
like
swing upside down, like fluctuation. So if you just manually hold or buy cryptocurrency in one time or as you wish, you may lose some potential of earning this bounce. Yeah. So
do you have the real example or like we can see?
Yeah, sure. As you can see in the last slide, if you invest in March this year, when you buy Bitcoin like in 61K, and the thing will be different compared to you when you using greed trading bot, right? As you can see in the slide, when market going down, but the market not always just going down. They will have some swing phase, swing situation. So with greed trading ball, you can earn a green arrow bounce like the chart illustrate, and the result will be very different.
How will be the result?
Yeah, how will be the result?
I think it's still down, right? Because majorly it's going down.
Yeah, let's see what different about the result. As the trading manually, if you are manually trading by yourself and you buy Bitcoin at 61K and you just hold it, and you may be nervous and worry about price when will it go out again, when will the new time high show up. And eventually the days passed and the months goes, so eventually you will have about 60.4% lost. But
that's a lot.
Yeah, but with BOXTradEx trading bot, you may gain some bounce. We should say you can arbitrage in this three trend, swing upside down, and you can you just like a surfer, you can surf this wave. It serves this price wave when the price bounce, and when price going up, you earn some profit with greed.
Wow, so do you mean that if even the market is going down 16%, even you get those bounces, then you still get 9.71 in green?
Yeah, so it's pretty different compared to you trade yourself with little skill or little technique.
Wow.
Or just go through by your feelings. You just see, oh, the price going up, so I want to buy it.
Yeah.
But you didn't consider any market trend, any technical analysis or something like that. So with trading board, it helps, or even though you can see as an assistant to serve you and help you to execute your trading strategy automatically and more efficient. Yeah, so let's go to the
many people will be concerned about security, right?
Yeah, the security and asset security is the most important thing to investor, no matter what you are investing in crypto or not. So in this part, we may face some crypto investors. They ask us frequently about
security.
What could BOXTradEx Exchange provide security to investor? So, and we all know this security or legal compliance is the most important thing to investors. So we developed BOXTradEx Exchange first based on security and compliance. So the first thing we do is collaboration. Yeah, we collaborate with global leading institutions like global leading custody like Circle in the United States. They are the issuer of USDC, and they provide highly stable of security like the custodian service. We can use we use his custody service for ensuring clients, investors as digital asset. So if you are crypto user, crypto investor in BOXTradEx Exchange, your digital asset will directly store in offline wallets.
Cold wallet.
Yeah, offline wallets. So and also these assets are segregated, divided independently.
So you don't get worried about being hacked, right?
Yeah. So and the most important thing is that they also covering the insurance of your digital asset.
Oh, we do.
And the highest is to about $150 million. So with insurance and third-party custody service, the security level is going up to
150 million. How much?
150.
150 million.
Yeah.
So we are telling everybody don't invest more than 150 million, right?
Yeah, but see, this is a lot of money. Yeah,
oh yeah, I think so.
Yeah. It's about like 50 Bitcoin.
Oh
yeah. If you can invest 50 Bitcoin.
Oh yeah, I think.
Yeah, if you invest more than 50 Bitcoin, you should be worried. Yeah, but eventually, like Circle, we collaborate with Circle, collaborate with Binance, or even the Malaysia Legitimate Financial Service Fund (BOCT). We collaborate with these all leading financial service firm for aiming to provide highly security and also collaborate with legal compliance company.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, so in asset security manner, we use legitimate custody service to provide for Circle like Binance, and the more mission is to bring more secure to crypto investor. So there will be a final slide.
Like to sum up what we say.
Yeah, sum up what we say in the first part.
Right.
And the first part, to sum up, the first part we are talking about more is about the background and why the BOXTradEx Exchange exists and why we develop it. Because the inflation and the volatility, they are also the big issue to crypto investor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they will all finally face one problem, is that how can we buy Bitcoin
accessible.
Yeah, accessible also effectively,
Yeah.
or even in an easy way. Yeah, so that's why we built the BOXTradEx Exchange. So all in all, why we show this slide in this page is because there are a classic saying from Warren Buffett. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die.
I think it's kind of serious, but it's kind of true though. It's like you got to work against inflation because what you keep in the bank account is not enough, I would say.
Yeah. So it's terrible if you don't have a effective tool or method to manage your wealth or even to do the investment, especially in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency have a high volatility. It can be rise about 10 or 20% a day,
it can go either way.
Or even 100% in 1 week. So this market is especially for smart guy. But if you are not smart enough,
right?
But you can have the smart tool.
It's still considered smart.
Yeah, if you don't know quite well about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you should have a better tool, smart tool, to help you to do the investment. So I believe automated tool is the key to successful trading the cryptocurrencies. So that will be our first part, and will be an open flow live question Q&A. And if you have some question about BOXTradEx Exchange, or you have some question about me or Lou, and you can type your question in
the chat box.
Yeah. So let me have some water.
Yeah. It's almost the end of the section 1.
Yeah. The section 1 is about the introduction, and the second part will be the tutorial. Yeah, tutorial of our apps, and we will show you how to use it. Also about include the registration, the KYC process, and the trading system.
Yeah. Oh, we got a question.
Okay. Oh, nice to meet you, Corina.
Yeah. So what did she say? I will read it out.
Okay.
What's the plan to ensure sufficient liquidity on exchange to fill market orders, especially as adoption increased and clients begin multiplying years over years? Yeah, she's really prospective, like visionary to the future, right? Our client will be getting more and more.
Yeah. Corina asked a serious and hard question to us, but in our plan, in our roadmap, we currently have abundant capital to support BOXTradEx Exchange.
Wow.
Also support the development like the new function, new trading system to users, and also innovate some new system to fulfill our mission. And as I said before, our mission is about to lowering the barriers of investment and provide better
liquidity, safety.
And provide better solution to crypto investor to financial freedom and democratization of the wealth. So for respond your question, our mission is to free the barriers like exchange cryptocurrency, so that everyone can easily achieve financial freedom and democratization of wealth. As we mentioned, that BOXTradEx Exchange firstly focus on security and legal compliance and provide better trading environments to crypto investors. So we build strong partnership with global leading financial institutions. Like I said in the last slide, is like Circle, like Binance, like BOCT in Malaysia. So that's I think the saying I said
earlier.
Is not to answer your question. So is that clear, Karina?
Yeah, I think it should be enough, right? So let's see if we do have more questions.
Yeah, we anticipate more questions about BOXTradEx Exchange, or you can ask about the inflation, volatility, or even a trading tool. We are glad to answer your question.
Yes.
And make clear to let you understand more clearly about us. Yeah.
Yeah, but we do have Q&A after this also, right?
Yeah. So if you are scheduling your question, organizing what you are thinking about us, and you can still ask question when we take break, or even in the second part session.
Yeah, but we do have the second question now.
New questions.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's from Joyce. Wow, so many questions. Wow. That's
too many.
Let
me check what it is. Okay. For project development, the main priority is to have sufficient funds. Your team financially able to carry out this project, and you have partnership with a venture capital company. Oh, I think this question
is very good.
Is quite yeah. You don't think this question is quite same as the last one?
No,
I talk about the development and the ability.
Oh, I think yeah, it's kind of similar now.
Yeah.
I think many people are really worried about security.
Yeah. And so that's why we talk the security section in the last slide, right? Because security, as I said before, is that we build BOXTradEx. We build BOXTradEx Exchange in a okay. Okay, stop. Okay.
Yeah, because one of our friends is being funny there. So sorry.
I know the question is hard to ask, but as our view, we build BOXTradEx Exchange firstly based on security and legal compliance. So we have enough liquidity, also the capital to support our development of BOXTradEx Exchange. Also, we are planning and we are on the way in our roadmap
to more partnerships.
Yeah. So, and the third question is about what is your plan about globalization, and do you have local communities for those users who don't understand English?
I think this user is from maybe Vietnam or Indonesia. They are worried about if our app do provide multi-languages. But to be honest, if you download now, I think you can find your language on the app. We are offering more and more, not like the other app may offer just like English.
Yeah, currently we provide foreign language like Vietnamese and Indonesian.
Bahasa.
Yeah, Bahasa, and also like Chinese English is included. So, as your question, what's the plans about globalization?
I think maybe the other aspect would be how will we extend our marketing outline to different.
This is a huge task and most important task to us, especially we are operation and marketing team. We are scheduling to build our local partnerships, especially like community management. Yeah, because our main strategy of marketing is CCPT. CCPT stands for we are content based and community driven and build partnership, and also the last one is token economy. So as you see, the first one is 2C. Double C is about content and community. So the content is what we mainly focus on to build a more user-friendly, more easy to understand what Bitcoin is and how to invest in Bitcoin, and especially the grid trading bot. How to use grid trading bot and the DCA strategy in our platform. So, and the second one is community. Community is what you are questioning about the globalization strategy. Is that we want to build local partnerships in like Southeast Asia country like Vietnam,
ASEAN, right?
Yeah, like Indonesia, like Malaysia, and
Maybe
other
more.
countries.
I think Thailand should be good, or other Southeast Asian
Yeah.
countries.
So as a globalization strategy, we have firstly based on the community, construct the strong and more close connected with local partners.
Yeah.
And we work together to build up our local community like in the media like Telegram, like Twitter, Discord, something like that. So I don't know, is that clear to your question? The first.
Well, we do have one more. Wow, we are so popular today.
Okay, so
it's from Joyce. Biggest risk of working with bots is undoubtedly the current volatility of the market. That makes it difficult to predict the future. How does BOXTradE deal with bear market scenario to prevent losses? I think we did talk about it, but we didn't emphasize it. It's like it's really fluctuating.
Yeah.
You even earn more.
Yeah, so the big risk of working with bots in an undoubted way. This is quite interesting to me.
Like bear market, how?
Because why we should use trading bot? Because the first one is the tool is automatically, it can help you.
Yeah.
Without your concern, without you watch daily price going up and down. Yeah, you don't need.
You don't need to quit the job.
You don't need stare to the screen or follow the market every minute, every hour. So the first one is automatically, and the second one, the grid trading strategy or the DCA strategy, it can help you execute your investment, even though or no matter what the market trend is. Like I said before, if market in the bear market, the price is going down, and if you just do the one-time investment or you just hold it, you will earn nothing.
Even loss.
Yeah, you just earn loss.
You don't earn loss, you just lost.
Yeah, so it's our point. If you use grid trading or another trading bot, you can earn the bounce price when market swing up and down, and you can earn another additional profit by trading bot, and you didn't need to analyze the trend.
Yeah, somebody do
for
you.
You didn't analyze. You just choose the trading pair you like or the most one you believe in, and you just say the price range, the ideal comfort zones of the price range, the ideal price you want to buy, you want to sell, and setting up another parameters like rate and total amount you want to invest, and that's all. And you can create the order directly.
You can just delete the app and go back a few days after you find it earning money.
Yeah, you said it correct, but it's
just joking. But actually, I didn't see the app during the time when I was trading, but it's somebody did for me, like the bot, the robot.
Yeah, robot just after you set up the parameter, set up the price range, and you just create order, and the robot, the trading bot, grid trading bot will automatically
do the trading.
Place the order, place the buy order, place the sell order within the price range you set, and you can earn the profit automatically.
Well, we do have a new comment now.
Okay.
Oh, it's from Corina, who asked about globalization.
Yeah. Okay. So
she says sounds good.
Yeah. So I think
She will download the app now.
Okay, so if you have another question about us, you can still organize your question in the second part or in the final part.
Yeah,
no matter what, we are still
answering.
going up or something else. So as the slide you can see, we have the special code for avatar.
Yeah.
If you are interested about BOXTradEx Exchange, you should go to the App Store to download it and try some both in our app. So also, if you have registered it and you can see the NFT
coding, right?
Yeah, NFT column that you need to fill the space code, and the space code is here for you, the one you are participating this first seminar in BOXTradEx Exchange, and you just need to type Buster VIP in the me page in our apps, and you will get the customized special NFT, the avatar, the virtual identity in our BOXverse. That's nice. You should take this opportunity to enjoy our apps, to experience our trading goal, and we will now go to the rest time.
The break time. And we will be back for tutorial section.
Yes, the next part will be tutorial session, and we will take about 5 minutes break. Okay.
So you can download the app now. Use that time.
We will show the QR code, and you can learn more about us and follow our Twitter, subscribe YouTube. Also, you can see our
Olympic giveaway is still going on.
Yeah, some events, and also our content about trading in our mediums. Okay. So let's take a little break.
Yeah, so see you later.
Yeah, see you around. Okay, we are back to the channel.
Yeah.
And I'm Kenji, and
Me, Lou.
yeah, and the second part will begin. The second part is about the tutorial of BOXTradEx Exchange apps.
Yeah.
So Lou will show you how to use BOXTradEx Exchange apps, and like the registration, like KYC process, like
How to trade
the
easily.
function of BOXTradEx Exchange, and how to trade, how to
Yeah.
use trading board, how to use smarter tools to
Trade cryptos.
trade crypto. So let's begin. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm holding the page that you, after you download the app, you can scan the QR code on the left hand side.
Yeah.
And after that, you get to the first page, it will be login. But I think a lot of you are still not yet having an account,
Yeah.
so we will go to register. So first of all, you key in your email. So I'll key in my email.
For example.
Yeah, just as
Yeah.
an example, but we need to follow format. Password, I would say BOXTradEx 1 2 3, and after that you got to confirm your passcode. I think it's easy. And if you do have a referral code, we do have a referral program,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, we have referral program.
And after you can,
You can enter your friend's referrals code
yeah,
when you register.
Yeah.
And your friend will get the
bonus.
rebate.
Yeah, the bonus.
Yeah, the bonus.
And after that, your email is here. Then you find here is the verification code. Then you click send, and we will send the verification email to your email address. Then you are almost good to go. You just check the user policy.
Yeah.
I think user policy is mostly protecting you and us, right?
Yeah.
Because somebody may worry about the data being hacked. That means we are keeping your data safely.
Yeah.
And we are following the rules. So if you are really worried about it, you can actually check it. Is to protect our users.
Yeah.
So after that, we got to log
Okay,
in.
we will log in if you complete the registration. Okay, wait for my login, and we will understand the whole picture of BOXTradEx Exchange. Wait a second. And we already allow the Google verification.
Yeah,
code
so we are now good to
for-
go.
for ensure your account security.
Yeah, like not somebody you don't know log into your account and trade for you. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
So first, we always talk about, I think, KYC. That's how we the KYC, right?
Yeah.
The KYC is like we need to know the customer. So you need to be verified before. It's recommended. However, you can still don't verify, but it's just not recommended. You do your certification by keying where you're from. So for my example, I will key in my country, my nationality, and my residential address. It's just taking an example. I would say Taipei 101,
Yeah.
and of course I'm not living there. And my name and my birthday. Okay, let's just randomly choose one. And next, you got to choose your ID type. you can choose either ID and passport, depends on your preference. But if you are international user, or the language might be kind of hard for everyone to recognize it, we recommend passport. And so let's say passport, and you're kidding, the card number will be your passport number. If you are kidding your IC or ID, then will be your ID number. Then you go to.
So you will need to do the three picture about the document you provide. If you use passport, you should take a picture of your passport, the front page, the back page, and also you should do the selfie.
I think the third one we got to talk about is a little bit more confusing. It's like you need to hold your ID, and you need to have a white paper to write your name, BOXTRADE, and the day you are doing this verification, and you got to sign. Because it is kind of troublesome, but think of the other way. You might get worried if somebody use your ID to register the app.
So the selfie part is the most complicated part. And you should be careful about the instruction below. We will have the instruction below the apps, and you should be aware about it. And if you make some mistake or take selfie not clear, you will be.
We would ask you to do it again. Sorry. Because BOXTRADE, we are always taking security as our priority. So at least think about it. You are at least safe. So after KYC, then you are good to go.
So besides of that, for notice, if you didn't do the KYC process, your account will be limited by $1,000.
$1,000?
If you want to do more than 1,000
USDT
for trading ball or do the investment in crypto, when the time you want to withdraw more than 1,000 USDT or USD dollars, and then you will be banned from the functions. So we would recommend you do the KYC process.
So let's move to other pages. The first one is the home page, because that's where we start. Like after KYC, of course. You see the obvious one is we do provide market informations. Like for example, I like to trade ADA personally. What do you like? What do you prefer personally?
I prefer the Ethereum right now.
Because it's getting
I think
high.
the smart contract industry will be the
future,
it will take advantage in this phase.
Wow, so then you can actually put what you like to trade the most at the front page. After you do the trade, you can always see how much you have as the market price.
So you can withdraw and deposit your fund, your crypto in the home page.
For example, if I deposit, you like for my example, I like USDT. I think it's one of the most common
stable coin.
That people would use to buy, right?
The USDT is currently the top one. Stable coin, but no matter, eventually it have some flow, some drawback or some rumors about its
still commonly used.
Its mechanism of the via PEG mechanism. And so, by the way, no matter what the flow or bad news about USDT, it still is the first one.
The top, the favorite.
And it will be you can use it to trade crypto and crypto trading. And also use it as a trading pair in a trading boat.
It's your first coin deposit. So after that, you click the coin you would like to deposit. For example, I would take USDT since it's the most popular one, and you select your chain protocol, and you have a QR code, which is the wallet on your app to receive the USDT. If you are transferring the crypto from other wallet, you can also copy deposit address, which is safe, I think, because you don't click.
You don't need to
type it one by one.
Yeah,
it's hard.
You just need to type the button, copy button for insurance, also for the for convenience way. Yeah. And also you should notice the instruction down below.
Yeah.
Down below the button, you won't, yeah, you can, and you don't want to lose your crypto.
Yeah, of
lose
course.
your money in the wrong way.
Yeah.
Like you send Bitcoin to Ethereum address.
Yeah. You always double check.
Yeah.
So after you deposit, of course, we will talk about orders. And this is the kind of new. I think we just got a new update recently.
Yeah, our designer redesigned the market page for more clarified info about the trading pair. Like also we add new trading pair like Unicoin, like Aave, like
That's really
Native,
popular.
like Sol, Solana's coin, something like that, and you can use it for manual trading, or even the most important is the trading bot. You can use it in the trading bot system. Yeah.
So okay, for example, let's also go beyond, because you see the interface. Actually, I really like it. It's simple. I can see whatever the price and what's going on.
It's clear to see the price info. Yeah.
But how about for some trader? They are actually looking into the detail. We also do have it. We have the candlestick.
Yeah.
We also provide an order book, like you can know the market information, the market history. For somebody really professional to use it, we are not just saying that we don't encourage manual trading. We also do if you are professional, if you are 24/7.
Yeah.
Right.
So the BOXTradEx Exchange and our team are more care about the user experience.
Yeah.
Especially trading.
Yeah, we think about all kinds of users.
Yeah.
And the second part is like most commonly is that people use USDT.
Yeah.
So we also do create a list that you are going to exchange from your USDT.
Yeah, you can invest your USDT to trading bot to earn like Uniswap coin and like a Polkadot, like a Fire, like another coin you like it.
Yeah. I think even BOCT, that's what we got to talk about specifically today. Like it's a good news for Malaysian users.
Yeah, as my presentation in our PPT is that we talk about collaboration and for enhance our security. So we collaborate with local partner, especially financial institution, BOCT in Malaysia. BOCT is a legitimate service firm that he can help you to exchange fiat and crypto, exchange fiat to digital assets in a more secure and convenient way.
That's what we talk about, is getting more accessible.
Yeah.
Like for Malaysian user, that you just need to transfer your money to Malaysian bank account. Is domestic, so probably no fee at all, or a little fee, not like you're making a SWIFT transaction. And for other users, you can use Malaysian Ringgit, USD, GBP, you name it. Probably they do have it because it's really an international banking system.
Yeah, it's very simple. You just need to deposit your fiat into like USDT or whatever, or the local fiat currency into the specific accounts in the bank, in the trustee account. Yeah, so and your fiat will directly transact and exchange to the BOCT or other crypto assets, and you can use it conveniently in our
just like other people.
Yeah, it's just we build this partnership with BOCT to create a more useful and easily channel.
Yeah.
And the fiat and crypto exchange channel in our platform. Yeah.
Okay, so it's just like other people using USDT, right?
Yeah.
So we got to skip the trading part. I think most people will be waiting about, so we will spend a lot of time on that. So we go to asset first.
Yeah.
And asset, I think this is one of the newly designed asset. You just go online, I think probably within this week.
Yeah. We also redesign the interface of asset page like marketplace. Yeah, we include the asset chart. As you see the chart, the circle chart in this page, you can see directly, very clearly that you can see how much your asset is in spot account and how much asset is in frozen status. Yeah, frozen status means like your asset is currently in trading board orders, and the order is running automatically 24/7 for you to execute your investment strategy.
So for if you are a leisure trader, I believe the more frozen asset you have is like more you are earning, because basically the robot is trading for you.
Yeah. So you can see it's very clarified and more obvious and transparency to see what the situation and also the asset allocation of your account. And you can also click on the chart. And you can see the detail of the frozen assets.
But which one you do prefer? I actually don't prefer like this kind of like taxes, like I got to read that. But if a pie chart can do, actually we would do prefer it more, right?
Yeah, I like pie chart, and
more.
Also also you can see it's very clear. Like you can see as my account, you can see my lots of assets in a great trading mode.
Yeah,
and it's run automatically for me to earn profits. Yeah. So it's very, I think it's very.
I think this function is for people who really need to understand their position, or for example, how much I'm using for that trading method.
Yeah.
Okay. So for below, I think we do have also clarification page for different kinds of crypto you have.
Yeah.
For example, BTC, USDT. Oh, obviously you do USDT a lot, is it?
Yeah, you can see I prefer invest in Ethereum, ETH in the first way, and also I have some USDT to run the trading board. I rarely to invest another.
Yeah, that's sad. I love ADA and you don't invest it. It's okay.
Next time I will consider.
It's okay. I have my own account. I can do myself.
Okay. So let's go to the next page.
Let's go to me page.
Yeah.
Me page is like your profile. So earlier we talked about like we are getting everyone a new code, like the VIP, Boxer VIP, right?
Yeah, Boxer VIP.
Then you can actually kidding, but he already got it. So when you see this box is not open yet, that means you got to be a little bit patient. Now we do have somebody actually personalizing it and customized for you.
Yeah.
It's like your own style, your own elements.
Yeah, if you got the special code today, the Boxer VIP, you can directly enter it in the column above the me page.
Yeah.
And when you correctly enter this special code, you will get the lock box.
Yeah, but just be patient.
Be patient to waiting for our designer to design the customer NFT, your exclusive identifier in our platform.
So just wait until it's unboxed.
Yeah.
So okay, then we also talked about referral program earlier. I think somebody will be really care about if I earn a commission and when I refer somebody. So actually we can see if you do have somebody joining our platform, we also do recognize it's your trophy, and you just share your code here, you copy and you share to your friend when they register, and you actually earn a bit of your reward.
Yeah, as you can see, when you register your account, you will have your special referral code. It's just for you. And if your friend like me, I want to invite Blue to join BOXTradEx Introduction. When he registers his account, he can enter my referral code for helping me earn my commission.
Yeah, so the earlier you join, you are earning from more friends. So you because he joined before me, so I can't refer him anymore.
And the detail and the specific rules is in the rule page. You can see it when you register our platform.
Yeah, please do read our T's and C. and you can know more details.
Yeah.
And after that, we got to talk about we do also have a tutorial center. Then you can actually click. We are actually talking about our trading bots, but if you have more inquiries or you do want to self-study about it, we also provide our article. We teach people.
Yeah, you can learn if you are new one. You want to use the trading bot like grid trading or DCA strategy, but you have no idea how to use it.
Yeah, and it's after our Q&A section. You find nobody to.
Yeah, you can learn in our this live stream for a little about your first knowledge in here. But if you now want to know more deep or some tips about using trading bot, you can learn it in our media.
Yeah.
The media is also in our link page, and also when you register your account in BOXTradEx Exchange, you can see a tutorial page, and the tutorial page will lead you directly to the tutorial content.
Okay, wow, that's nice. So what if somebody really have a question or inquiry? Do we accept email inquiries, like asking question by email?
Sure. You can ask question or provide your idea or even the proposal to us through our link like Twitter, Telegram group, or you can also directly send email to me to BOXTradEx Exchange
or our operation team.
Yeah.
And a link tree is just right there on the screen.
Yeah.
So okay. So I think it's all about our profile page. If you do want to know more, just comment at the Q&A section below, and we will answer you right away.
Yeah. Also, so the final part.
Yeah,
the most important part is about trading.
I think the people want to know more about it. Yeah. So first of all, the trading part we do divide to robotic trading and also manual trading. If you are really interested into trading manually, we do provide a tool for you.
Yeah.
And so for the manual trading, I think everybody should be familiar with it. Like you do the limit when the price is reached, then its order is placed.
Yeah.
And you also can buy it right away if you are so excited to get BTC right away. Oh, I want to hold BTC right now.
So but this page is either the one you like it.
Oh yeah, ADA, yeah. Okay. For example, I want to buy ADA right now. I'm so excited. I don't want to wait for the robot to buy for me.
Yeah.
I can do. So after that, we go to the bots. So we do divide to two parts, same as the manual trading, right?
Yeah.
We do have the grid trading. We do also have the DCA. We will talk about it later. So let's see our grid trading. First of all, you got to key in your lower limit. For example, your ADA is 1.3551 at the time, equal to USDT.
Yeah.
So you probably kidding the number amount lower than that. Let's say 1.1. And the upper limit is recommended definitely higher than that because it's upper.
Yeah.
So it should be 1.6, let's say.
Yeah. For notice, like the most important part in grid trading setting is about the price range, the upper limit and down limit price.
Yeah.
So if you have any confused about this setting, you can see the tutorial in our media content. It will show you how to recognize or how to set the price range.
Yeah.
Due to some you can use some technical indicator or some technical analysis method to know how to schedule your price range.
Yeah, and also you can find the grids, like how many grids you got to enter.
Yeah.
For my case, I always love to get 100.
Yeah.
Because it trades most frequently.
Yeah.
So and also you can choose geometric or arithmetic.
Yeah.
It's like how you calculate each grid's distance.
Yeah.
Like for example, one might be further, one might be nearer. It depends on market situation, but it's almost the same. But you can, if you want to know more details, just go to our tutorial or send an email to us. We do welcome it.
Yeah.
And you choose how much you got to invest. And we are always transparent, right? We do talk about your profit after our fee, because we don't want to be hiding our fee. Like fee, you find like we do have like fee hidden, and eventually we are charging.
Yeah. The system we build is very transparent and very clarify what you need to do, and the trading board, the system will tell you directly which each key can earn profit is, and you should just, the most important part, you should just decide the price range you love, the ideal price range you want to buy, and
how many
grids, and grids mode, and also how many you want to invest.
Yeah. So for some users, they might say, oh, I want to get BTC, I don't want ADA. That's fine. It's not like saying I don't like you, but just I will still talk about it. Yeah, of course. If you want other like BTC, USDT, you can also click the up left corner. You find it.
You find an icon beside the trading pair, and you can change it directly as you wish. Also, the most important thing is selecting the trading pair to create the order. So the main criteria of using trading board is in our medium, and you can learn it by yourself, and also you can ask us if you have any detailed
Your email is quite welcome.
Or you have any problem, you can ask us.
Yeah. So okay, let's move to the second robotic mod.
Yeah.
It's called DCA. I think at DCA you might get a little bit confused. What's DCA? By the way?
DCA is called the dollar cost average. As the name you know, is tell you that is the cost average investment strategy that help you to enhance your risk tolerance. Also reduce the risk you face when the market is in a downtrend. So as DCA strategy, you can see is a very simple. The logic of the DCA mechanism is very simple, and if you think you are a long-term investor, or you just wanna hold Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency in a long-term aspect, so you can use DCA to help you, to serve you as a more effective, less risk profile strategy.
Yeah. So let's say you are hearing your friends saying, "Oh, BTC gonna have a dip," but you are going to sleep. You are not going to wake up like 2 a.m. on you. Say like, oh, I got to order BTC.
Yeah, most of the investors want to buy in a dip.
Yeah, but
and sell at an all-time high.
Yeah,
that's just a
dream.
Fairy tale.
Yeah,
that's a dream. So the DCA is an automatic tool. You can see as an automatic assistant to you to help you buy what you want to buy your target. Divide your investment amount in different time segments. So you can see there are many time setting parameters.
Okay, so let's do the demo. So for example, I'm predicting that BTC gonna have a dip, or just like I simply want to buy BTC in the next 3 days, but I'm not certain that how price will go. So I would say it's going to be lower than. I don't want to buy the high, of course. You buy the cheap.
Yeah.
So you kid in like 38,000, and the lower limit, I want to buy the cheap. Of course, everybody does. So let's kid in. Okay, let's say 34 is a low. It's bigger range, right?
The lower limit is in the upside.
The lower limit. Sorry.
A little mistake.
Setting.
So
34.
As the situation, you see the lower limit price is in the upside.
Sorry, I forgot.
So if you first use the trading board, you want to set a parameter, you should look well for it. But
the lower.
But fortunately, if you set the wrong parameters,
I
the
think you'll be
system,
rejected.
yeah, the system will reject you, and also you can show your profit will be
Not reasonable
less
at
than
all.
zero. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
sure. So yeah, it's okay if you got it wrong. Somebody
Okay.
gonna save you.
Yeah.
And I got to choose how much you got to invest, and the fee is also apparent. It's also transparent here. It's 0.05%, which is not quite high compared to some other
Yeah,
competitors.
yeah. So it's very easy to use and also low barrier to use this trading board. Also, the DCA strategy is help you minimize volatility, as we talked about in last part. The volatility of cryptocurrency is high, is huge. So you should divide your investment amount into different segments, also in different price level. Once if you didn't know about how to predict or analyze the market trends, how to predict the price ranges, so this year I think it's very simple and easy to use. Also, it has more powerful and effectiveness to you to invest cryptocurrency.
So it's just like buying along the curve until you don't want
you will automatically divide it like you have 10 grand want to invest in Bitcoin, you will divide it to like you want to invest Bitcoin for a year, and the 10 grand will divide it into 335
so
and the amount will and the cost of your Bitcoin will be average no matter what the market is going up or down, and the risk is also diversified.
I think somebody is worried that if we say Bitcoin is surging today, but the robot is still making transaction. I think that's why we actually set the upper limit for robot to stop beyond that point.
So to sum up this trading board, DCA trading board will certainly provide at least for advantage for crypto investor. Like I said, it is with more effective, less risk. The cost of your position will be average when the price is going down, when the price is in a negative influencer to you. So also the second is this investment will obviously decrease the risk compared to single investment. Even though you divide your investment amount into different parts, but the risk of DCA is effectively
it's like not putting all your eggs in one basket.
It's effectively diversified during the investment horizon.
So let's depends on what kind of trader you are. But I believe most of us we want profit right now. So I would choose great trading actually.
Yeah, great trading or DCA they have different, but some of that is sent to the investment in an advantageous way. So the force of the advantage and benefit of DCA can bring to investor is that it's simple, very simple. You just say like you can imagine like it just help you to divide your investment into different parts and also execute the investment in a different time segment, and also it save your time. The time is a treasure, right? If you want to do this divided strategy in your way, in manual way, you will spend a lot of time in finding a trend, in deciding which price I need to buy it. So it helps a lot.
So since you did a lot of trading with Great Trade Robot, right? Let's look into how your trade is being displayed and shown.
You can see my order.
It's all green. Wow.
Ethereum and Polkadot. Also, I have Polkadot friends. I wear this Kusama shirt today for this first seminar.
That's nice.
You can see Kusama, if you know the Japanese. Okay. Sorry.
That's okay. Let's back to our main story today. So let's see how we can actually read the trading analysis, or let's say trading details. Right. So like see the trade is being open like this, and we do visualize your trading position by actually you are literally seeing the grids that the robot is placing for you. And you can actually check each buying price and also how much your position is being sold.
Yeah.
If you want to know more, like you don't want to just read the green and red. Actually, we do provide. We are always transparent.
Yeah, the transparency is very clear.
Point,
Yeah. And you can see the detailed transaction of your each grid order, and also the current situation of your grid trading. Yeah.
So okay, you just scroll down below, you actually find that each trade. You even recall your second, like it's 21:01:21 second.
Yeah.
That's really accurate, is it? That's
Yeah,
really
yeah,
detailed.
Yeah.
So you know what the robot is going. It's not just like you don't post.
It's not a cheat or scam behind the
you do know
system,
everything.
yeah.
Everything is in your hand, but as long
yeah.
as you open the app. But I'm kind of lazy. I open that after a few days.
Yeah, I think the automated tool is trend of the future, because we all know people are more and more unlikely to spend their time to do a lot of work, and also learn a lot of the new thing, right? Like Bitcoin or blockchain industry or cryptocurrency is a new stuff to people. Yeah. There are just only few people, about I think about only 6 to 7% of the people they are using cryptocurrency in Southeast Asia. Yeah.
Wow, so
especially like in Taiwan, there are only 6 to 7%.
I think sometimes because financial regulations, you are restricted. But it's okay. We are now today on the app, then we are providing accessibility to everyone. Even when you say, "Oh, I'm not investing in crypto because it's volatile," then we got a good excuse, a good solution for you right now.
Yeah.
So I think that's pretty much everything for the tutorial today.
I think you teach a lot.
Yeah, so let's look for some. If we do have more Q&A in the comment section today.
Yeah, if you have another question or any idea about our product or our platform, or even about us, you want to ask, you can comment in our chat room, and also we'll have a little break about 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll go back to answer your question if you have. And also our first seminar online streaming will be end today. Yeah. So you can keep in touch for following our media, our Twitter, Telegram, and also anticipate our next show.
Actually, no, we do have next event going on, Olympic giveaway. Let's emphasize it again. Let's reiterate it. We are giving away 50 USDT.
Yeah.
And I think the result gonna be out, I think, by earlier next week.
Yeah.
So you're gonna know if your crypto party is getting 50 more. 50
yeah,
USDT
if you want to
win
the reward, win the prize of Olympic game, you should follow our Twitter and do the test. I think about only 3 steps to win. And we will randomly choose the winner of 2 in the next week, and we will announce in our official channel.
Just like we did the ANA, I think last week, and it was like quite many participants doing the entry, and we selected 10 out of the many people, and get a reward. So you can always have the opportunity to read the next.
Yeah, so let's take a little break, and we'll go back to answer any question, or we will be the end of today's seminars.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's take a break.
Okay, we are back to the channel.
Back on live.
We don't see any new question here. So, would you mind to conclude our first show?
There's too many benefits to conclude. I don't think we can use conclude a word. We should use it's hard. Like, because if you say like, oh, we do have so many benefits, NFT, grid trading, DCA.
Yeah, you're right.
So many things. How can you do in like 2 minutes?
Yeah, because let me talk about more, and because we build BOXTradEx strength firstly in security and legal compliance, but more is about focus on develop the best user experience. So we include the NFT mechanism in our crypto exchange. You will never see a crypto exchange will try to combine an NFT system to use the virtual identity in the crypto exchange. And we have this ambition and plan to give more to our crypto users. So that's why we think we are different, and we are a new formation of a crypto exchange. Not only because we have trading bots, we have the automated tool, but also we have the idea, and you can see it as the innovation idea to develop and build. I think it may be like a metaverse in our BOXTradEx exchange. So I think that will be clear to conclude today. We are NFT. We introduced our referral program. Also, we introduced our 2 trading bots, DCA and grid trading. And also, we help you to learn more about us, about the registration process, and also about KYC process. So, I think today's live show will be.
Yeah, but people are still welcome to message us on Telegram, Gmail, and also YouTube.
Yeah, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, or you haven't joined our Telegram group, or even you haven't followed our Twitter, you should now action to you should now to follow us and keep in touch to us, and we need more feedbacks about what you think about BOXTradEx exchange and us.
Yeah, we are creating more like an app, just not an app, but more personalized, more idiosyncratic of your own style.
Yeah, so the show will end today, and we thank you your participation, and we look after to see you again in our next seminar, next event. Okay, so see you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Peace.